Hey everyone, welcome back. This week, Robinhood dropped a massive wave of new features aimed mostly at active traders and options trader as well, right? From real-time verified trade to AI-driven indicators, right? They are basically evolving from a simple broker into a true financial hub, and I'm especially excited to demo one of those features. If you are curious about testing out option strategies before putting real money on the line, stick around because I will walk you through this particular feature that they have launched with a good example. So it's gonna be crystal clear for you by the end of the video. Okay, so let's first hit the highlights from this Hood Summit, right? So the first thing that they announced or they're gonna launch is the Robinhood Social, right? Now, basically, you can follow real verified trades, join community discussions, and even view daily P&L of other users right in the app. Okay, second one that they announced is AI-powered custom indicator and scans, right? So basically, you don't have to be a developer, forget coding. Robinhood Cortex lets you basically create custom indicators and screening scans using plain English prompts, right? And they sync across web and mobile. Another one is futures on Robinhood Legend, right? So right now you do not have futures in Legend. You can now trade 40 plus CME futures like S&P 500, oil, Bitcoin, gold with low fees, real-time L2 data, and no PDT rule. Another great one is trading ladder upgrades, right? The trading ladder, which they announced and demoed as well, for one click order entry now works in stocks, right? And it works in ETF and crypto as well, both web and mobile. Okay, that's gonna be really great if you're an active trader. Another great feature is short selling, right? Overnight index options and multi-account support. So you can now basically short sell after our index option and you can manage multiple individual brokerages accounts in one place. And that's just the top of the list. There's a lot of things that they have in pipeline, but now let's jump into that one feature, that simulated option returns. I'm gonna explain that in the Robinhood platform. So let's go to my screen and I'm gonna walk you through step by step how you can see that, right? So one thing that I want to mention is I just got access to this feature this week. If you do not see this option, do not worry, they are rolling it out in a phase-wise manner. So you should definitely see that in sometime this month or next month. You will definitely see that they are rolling out in phases. Okay, so let's go to my screen and I'm going to show you that. Okay, so I'm in my Robinhood screen, right? And once you have to go to the Robinhood Legend platform, once you are here, you click on this plus icon, right? And say select from template, okay? And then you have to select advanced option. Remember that you need to pick this advanced options here. Now, once that loads, you pick your whatever ticker that you wanna check on. I have NVIDIA loaded here, so that's fine. I'm gonna take that as example. And now here is the important thing, right? That's the simulated returns. You will see this tab here. Again, as I said, if you do not see that, maybe you do not have that yet, but you will have that soon. Robinhood is phasing that out in phased manner, so you will definitely see that. I see that here, so that's been basically enabled for me. So before that, right, if you notice, this is grayed out. Okay, so why is that? You have to select a contract position that you want to do, right? So I am going to show you this with a cash secured put. So let's say I go for September 19th expiry, right? And on this one, I want to do, it's running right now, the price is 177, and I want to do 175 strike, right? So I'm just gonna do this one, and then here you select sell to open, right? That basically makes it a classic output. And now you will see here that this tab has been enabled. Okay, so far this tab was disabled, now that's enabled. So you click on that and that's the chart, right? So that's the chart that they have added. It is pretty enhanced now. You do not have to go outside of Robinhood Legend. I have used in the past multiple other sources to see that kind of view, but that's right now right in the Robinhood platform, right? So now let me go through a couple of quick things in here. So what you see here, the first thing that we are gonna see is this one, right? So this is the estimated P&L. If you click on this I button, it shows here, right? This estimated profit and loss, and it's calculated using several different variables and estimates, right? So that's, and this is the interesting part that I want to discuss. So these are the Greeks, okay? Now, as you move, right, as you slide your cursor more, changing that prices, right? You will also see the price is anyway changing, but you will notice that these Greeks are also changing, right? So you can see at any given point in time, what is your theta, what is your delta is gonna look like, right? So because it's a cash secured put, we know we have a limited profit, right? That it cannot go beyond that. That's why at the end, these two are basically meeting. That's telling that that's the max return that you want to get. Okay, the next one is, right, that's the date slider that you see. So you can adjust this to see projected profit and loss on any date leading up to expiration, right? Like what if you want to estimate your position, let's say next Friday at noon, you can simply drag the slider and the chart is gonna updates on the fly, right? So this slider, right, so basically right now it's September 14 and this is showing the time, right? If you drag this, let's say as we go closer to the expiry, right, it's gonna dynamically change all the parameters here. You can see your estimated profit and loss. It's gonna show you that 2DT means the date to expiry, right? You can see that 2 days before the expiry what your profit and loss is gonna look like, right? So if you drag it all the way to the expiry here, like I said, right, you're gonna collect the complete premium because it's a cash secured put position, and at the expiry if it closes above your strike price, you keep all the premium, right? That's why that's gonna just merge it here. So that's a good way to see your simulated return here with all the Greeks also changing along with the profit and loss. Okay, so that was the time one. Now the last thing, right, which is this slider, the IV, right? So IV is also very interesting to see, right? If you wanna just guess it, like Nvidia is a volatile stock for any other volatile stocks. If you wanna guess, like if there is an event coming up, you definitely expect this IV to go up, right? So if the IV goes really high, what's your profit and loss is gonna look like, right? So in this case, if the IV is really high, you may be you may decide to not execute this trade, right? Based on the profit and loss that you see. So that's the simulated option, right? It's gonna give you a chance to simulate your options before you put your real money into it, right? So you can actually simulate your trade and then go decide if that risk or reward makes sense for you, and then you go ahead and execute that trade. Let's talk about the analysis. The simulator rate is a huge leap if you think on like a profit loss chart that you to see, because you get a live interactive sense of risk, reward, and sensitivity to all the variables, right? Before you ever make a trade. So it's a perfect for trader wanting to build an intuition for the complex positions, right? Especially multi-leg options. You can use this to understand how the Greeks can change your entire profits. So that's the new simulated returns feature on Robinhood Legion, a real upgrade, I would say, for anyone who is serious about options. Definitely try it out, experiment with your own scenarios, and get comfortable with the Greeks before putting money on the line. Let me know in the comments what you think.